Let me tell you about a couple. A couple who comes to me way often. They come with recurrent abortions. They want a child desperately. They come with abortions, sometimes two, sometimes three, sometimes more. They sit across the table and I tell them that why is their pregnancy lost repeatedly? And I tell them that there could be a genetic defect or a genetic variant in one of you, and we need to test both of you. The room becomes silent. They all look at the woman in question and say, test her first. I then reiterate, chromosomes no gender. We need to test the couple again. Still resistance. And in that moment, I'll say something I've never said publicly before. I pray that the report of that woman comes back normal. And it is not because I want science to protect her. It is because I know what an abnormal report can do to her. It can lead to more blame, more scrutiny, and more permission for discrimination. And what if the son's report came abnormal? First of all, there is a lot of denial. Nothing can be wrong with my son. But then this is followed by a lot of conflict that genetics is complicated, the fault is not his, and still it remains to the fact that the personality is important. So much discrimination, so much bias. So the story now comes on to the fact that genetics just doesn't reveal biology, it also reveals the fact that who the society wants to question and who does it want to protect. Which era are we going to stay in, the Mendel or the machine learning?